Hello, my sewing friends. This is Vlogmas Day 6. I'm Jen, and this is my sewing room. And I have new patterns that I bought that I thought I would share with you from a variety of places. These first ones I'm going to show you are all from the Facebook Marketplace D-Stash, pattern D-Stash page, which I'll link below. And I don't have any business buying patterns, but occasionally I'll go through and check just to see if they have any of the ones I collect. And they did this time, but yeah, I got 3 or 4 more. Okay, the first is McCall's 4980. This is from 1978. You know what this reminds me of is Andra from Andra Makes, because boy, would she look like $1 million in this. So I don't know, this may go to live at her house, I don't know. Simplicity 8513 is from 1998, and of course what grabbed me about this was this. I'm not even sure I'd want to color block that. I made a dress that has this kind of vibe to it out of linen, and I think linen would be great, but I would like to try it in something else. So kind of a pretty dress. Yeah, it would even be cute, probably even cuter if you made it short. I made a dress like that one year for Christmas, and I used a tone-on-tone satin. Yeah, that was nice. Vogue 7628 is from 2002. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. Seriously, these little, I can't even, because of the sweetness. I don't know that I'll ever be able to use this for one of my grandchildren. Hopefully I will. But, you know, it was collectible. And I thought, oh, yes, yes, yes. It says easy. And you get the little girl's jumper, the little boy's coveralls, overalls. The shirt and the jacket and the hat. So these would be overalls, because if they were coveralls, they would also have the shirt. They would like be a shirt, pants, jumpsuit. Yeah. Simplicity 4783 is from 2004, and oh my gosh, look at the poncho with the ruffles. Yes, what is it? I'm suddenly into ponchos. I don't know, my inner 1970 is coming out. But you get a couple of jackets here, which are very similar to kind of a cardigan-ish, sweater-ish, kind of, I don't know, whatever. It's a top that's long-sleeved, made from kind of a soft ponte maybe, like a performance fabric that my daughter got me from Costco, probably 5 or 6 years ago. And it has a big snap here and a big snap here, and it overlaps just like that. And I thought, ooh, I think that would be so cute to make for her. And even for me, if I did it with short sleeves. So yeah. And then you also get the hat and the scarf. And the mittens. Yeah, great pattern. And the last one is Simplicity 4513. This is from 2005. It is a Daisy Kingdom. You know what's notable about this to me is that you do get the little shawl, but you don't get a doll's dress, and you don't get anything like a bag or a hat, or a lot of those the Daisy Kingdom patterns came with an accessory. So maybe they're considering this the accessory, but yeah, I collect these. That's why I got it. And then today, just a little while ago, this came, and this is a whole roll of patterns from PDF Plotting. When you get patterns printed there, which are PDFs that you send away to have printed, and then they send them back to you. It comes in a one of these, which is a cardboard roll. Yeah. Anyway, they're all in there, and those are indie patterns that I got from Patterns for Pirates. I got their tulip tea to make for my daughter. I got the So Sweetness yarn minder pattern for a Christmas gift. I printed a little, this is not in there, but this is a little fanny pack, little DIY fanny pack that was a free pattern that I was going to use, and I may still use, to do a yarn minder kind of bag. I'll zhuzh it up and adapt it and all that kind of thing. And then the other big thing from there is the bootstrap dress form pattern. I ordered that because it was on sale for Black Friday. I think it was 40% off. Those patterns are not expensive anyway when you buy them, and they are a dress form that's you. You put in your measurements and then you sew it together. You construct the whole thing. They give you really explicit, well done, well worded, I guess, instructions. They're just really good instructions. And yeah, you make your own. So I've been wanting to do that for a while, and I actually had a tab open in my browser, and I finally pulled the trigger. So I went ahead and had that printed. Those are my patterns, my newest patterns. Patterns are always fun. Okay, this is day 6 of Vlogmas. So I gotta find day 6 on my advent calendar. Found it. It's right here. So let's see what kind of a chocolate I get today. Oh, it's a little star. Looks like milk chocolate. And it's got little ribbons on it. Wonder if they have a flavor inside, because I love to taste these and see if they have a flavor. Let's just see. Has a white ganache. And it does have a flavor. It's like, what is that? It's a fruit. And it's a berry, but it's hard to taste because of the milk chocolate taste. So anyway, that is Vlogmas day 6. So today I'm going to leave you with Isaiah 11 verses 1 through 5. And this again is from the Message translation. And here's what I love about the Bible. You know, you hear these things that are so poetic and nice, and then you kind of keep going and it gives you this wonderful, beautiful description of what he's talking about. A green shoot will sprout from Jesse's stump. From his roots, a budding branch. The life-giving Spirit of God will hover over him, the Spirit that brings wisdom and understanding, the Spirit that gives direction and builds strength, and the Spirit that instills knowledge and fear of God. Here's where it gets good. Fear of God will be all his joy and delight. He won't judge by appearances, won't decide on the basis of hearsay. He'll judge the needy by what is right, render decisions on earth's poor with justice. His words will bring everyone to awed attention. A mere breath from his lips will topple the wicked. Each morning, he'll pull on sturdy work clothes and boots and build righteousness and faithfulness in the land. I love the Message translation for just those reasons. He'll judge the needy by what is right. He won't judge by appearances. I hope that gives you something to chew on for this 6th day of Advent, where we talk about hope. And I will see you tomorrow for day 7. Till then, Merry Christmas.